The episode begins with an emotional atmosphere as Ranbir and Meghla's wedding day finally arrives. Ranbir looks completely mesmerized seeing Meghla as a bride, though Adrija is seething with jealousy, hiding her heartbreak behind a forced smile. In the background, tensions spark among the families. Jorawar keeps humiliating Meher by dragging up her past with Abin, while Abin does his best to remain calm and protect her dignity. Meher, deeply hurt, sheds tears in silence, and Jorawar only mocks her more, exposing his toxic behavior in front of everyone. Meanwhile, Adrija continues to battle her inner turmoil. Though she brought Meghla to the wedding stage, she feels the ultimate insult of losing Ranbir to her. Mahua notices Adrija's expressions and grows worried, but Adrija brushes it off. The rituals begin with everyone teasing Ranbir and Meghla about their shy glances, creating light-hearted moments. But underneath the laughter, Adrija's bitterness grows darker. She vows she will not let this wedding finish peacefully. Elsewhere, more family drama unfolds as Nimrit tries persuading Adrija to accept Balvir's job offer and even hints she should stay in their house. Adrija pretends to act humble, but inside, she is calculating her next move. Nimrit openly badmouths Meghla, claiming Ranbir will regret choosing her, and Adrija cleverly plays along while hiding her true intentions. At the same time, Abin comforts Meher after yet another humiliating clash with Jorawar, and their unspoken chemistry resurfaces, drawing disapproval from Jorawar. Back at the mandap, Ranbir and Meghla's wedding reaches its most important stage. The priest instructs Ranbir to fill Meghla's hairline with sindoor, the sacred mark that would seal their marriage. Just as Ranbir is about to do it, Adrija suddenly stands up, claiming she has urgent work. To everyone's shock, she walks straight to the mandap and declares she cannot stay silent any longer. Balveer encourages her to speak, and Adrija begins her dramatic revelation, insisting she will never allow lies in the Bajwa family. She looks directly at Ranbir's family and announces that Meghla isn't Shandan and Mahua's biological daughter at all. The hall falls silent. Shandan and Mahua freeze, Meghla trembles in disbelief, and the Bajwa family stares in utter confusion. Jorawar immediately demands answers, while Shandan tries to stop Adrija, but she refuses, determined to expose the truth. Finally, under pressure, Shandan admits it. Years ago, he and Mahua had adopted Meghla when she was just 2 months old. They never told anyone because to them, Meghla was always their daughter. The shocking confession leaves everyone stunned. Jorawar seizes the moment, cruelly calling Meghla an orphan and accusing Shandan of deceiving Ranbir's family. His harsh insults crush Meghla, and she breaks down in tears. But Shandan explodes in anger, defending his daughter fiercely. He shouts that Meghla has parents who love her, regardless of blood. He reminds everyone that Ranbir chose Meghla, not the other way around. Ranbir looks shaken but silent, clearly torn between shock and love. Meanwhile, Simran and Harman question Adriza's timing and intentions, calling her out for keeping the secret until now. Simran praises Meghla's upbringing, saying she is proof of her parents' nobility. Still, the damage is done. As the arguments continue, Meghla, overwhelmed by humiliation and grief, suddenly faints in front of everyone. Panic erupts, Ranbir and Mahua rush toward her, but Shandan stops them, warning that Joravar might now block the marriage completely. Joravar, enraged and arrogant, was never to let the wedding happen. Amidst the chaos, Adrija secretly rejoices, thinking her plan has succeeded in destroying Meghla's happiness. The episode closes on a dramatic cliffhanger, Meghla unconscious, Shandan defending her with every ounce of strength, Joravar threatening legal action, and Ranbir left torn and silent. The burning question remains, will Ranbir still stand by Meghla after learning the truth about her adoption, or has Adrija's revelation changed everything?